Tim Norman gets new legal team in 2021. On the Case starts right now. Welcome back to On the Case. I'm Jay So Extra. If you're new here, take a minute to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. Today I'm going to read the court documents from the status hearing in December 2020 regarding the Tim Norman murder for hire case. There have been many reports that Tim Norman replaced his lead counsel, John P. Rogers, but the court documents show something different. I have a copy of the court document, which I'll put on the screen in just a minute, and I also will be reading what the court document says. Let's start with a motion that was entered on December 30th of 2020. Motion to withdraw as attorney by John P. Rogers by James Timothy Norman, entered 12/30/2020. So right here, the document states that the motion to withdraw John P. Rogers as Tim's attorney was signed by both John P. Rogers and Tim Norman. It doesn't state that the request to withdraw was submitted by John P. Rogers or the request for removal was submitted by Tim Norman. According to these documents, it looks like they both agreed that John would no longer be representing Tim in this case. Now we move on to a record entry, which was also entered on December 30th, 2020. Entry of attorney appearance by Joseph M. Hogan on behalf of James Timothy Norman, entered 12/30/2020. So here we have the name of Tim's new attorney, which is Joseph M. Hogan. Joseph M. Hogan is an attorney at the Hogan, Sokolik, Corlija, Kielty law firm located in St. Louis, Missouri. After those two motions were filed, the results were determined on December 31st, 2020, and it reads, docket text order as to James Timothy Norman. It is hereby ordered that the motion to withdraw as attorney by John P. Rogers is granted. Signed by Magistrate Judge Nanette A. Baker on 12/31/2020. In addition to Joseph M. Hogan being a part of Tim's new legal defense team, another attorney was entered into record, and it states, January 4th, 2021, entry of attorney appearance by Ethan B. Corlija on behalf of James Timothy Norman. According to my research, Ethan Corlija is a member of the same law firm as Joseph M. Hogan. They are also listed as co-owners. It is now clear that Tim's former defense team has been completely replaced with new attorneys and a new law firm. John P. Rogers is no longer a part of his defense strategy. As I mentioned in a previous video, there was a pre-trial status hearing on December 3rd in 2020. The results are listed in the court documents and they read as such. Order regarding the complex case finding as to James Timothy Norman, Terica Tanisha Ellis, Wael Rebhi Yagnam, Travell Anthony Hill. It is hereby ordered that the government's motion for complex case finding and to continue trial date beyond limits set by the Speedy Trial Act is granted. Speedy trial finding. For the reasons set out in the government's motion, the court finds that the case is a complex case as defined in Title 18, United States Code, Section 316. In addition, pursuant to Title 18, United States Code, Section 3161 and B1, the trial of this matter should be continued past the limits set by the Speedy Trial Act because the ends of justice served by continuing this case outweigh the best interests of the public and the defendants in a speedy trial. The case is so unusual and complex that it is unreasonable to expect adequate preparation for pretrial proceedings, and the failure to exclude this period would likely result in a miscarriage of justice. It is further ordered that the court will set a pretrial motion scheduled at a later date. It is finally ordered that an attorney's only status hearing is set for March 2nd, 2020 at 10:30 a.m. before the undersigned. The hearing will take place by Zoom. Hearing participants will receive a separate email with a link to join the hearing by Zoom. Members of the general public who wish to listen into the hearing are directed to call the following number to participate by phone. Phone number to call into the hearing and the meeting ID code is listed on the document, And if you wish to listen in on the hearing, then just a friendly reminder that you are not allowed to record the session. We are nearing the end of January, and the next time a hearing will take place will be in March. I will stay on top of this case, and I'll be sure to dial in on March 2nd to listen in on the attorneys only status hearing. That's all I have for today. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. Follow me everywhere at JSoExtra, and if there is a case that you would like me to look into, then send me a tweet and use the hashtag on the case so that I can easily find your post. As always, thanks for listening, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe.